Welcome to a special Minecraft Education Edition experience, celebrating the Chinese New Year of the Snake. This roller coaster was created with code in Minecraft Education Edition, using the power of programming to design a thrilling ride. Did you know that 2025 is the year of the snake in the Chinese Zodiac? Let's dive into what makes this year so special. The snake is a symbol of wisdom, elegance, and mystery. In Chinese culture, it's believed that people born in the year of the snake are smart, intuitive, and calm under pressure. Sounds like the year perfect to achieve great things, doesn't it? The snake year comes around once every 12 years. The last time we celebrated was 2013, and before that, 2001. What's your favorite memory from a past snake year? This entire project was designed and coded by a 10-year-old demonstrating how even young minds can create amazing things with programming. Now, let's take a ride and see how this creative masterpiece comes to life. It's all part of the fun of learning to code, and this project was crafted with pure imagination. Before the ride begins, let's take a look at how we made this roller coaster. Don't worry if you've never programmed before. This is perfect for beginners. In our winter camp course, we teach step-by-step how to create fun projects like this one. With just a little coding knowledge, you too can build amazing something in Minecraft. This roller coaster was created using the built-in programming features of Minecraft Education Edition, where you can learn coding while having fun. With limitless creativity, you can design and build your own unique experiences just like this one. In Minecraft Education Edition, programming is integrated directly into the game. It's an engaging way to learn coding, and you can create anything you imagine, all while playing. This project was designed as part of our global original coding design, from the rails to the fireworks. It's all built using programming concepts that even beginners can easily learn. As we ride the rails, let's take a moment to wish all of you a happy and prosperous new year. Let's light up the skies with a dazzling display of fireworks, symbolizing joy, hope, and celebration. Now, let's witness the magic of an automated fireworks show as the minecart glides by, creating a spectacular burst of colors. In this special year of the snake, may your journey be filled with wisdom, success, and happiness. Happy Chinese New Year! May this year bring you good fortune and new opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this festive ride. Let's code, create, and celebrate the new year together in Minecraft.